and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the data error cyclic redundancy check problem regarding to device drivers. So when I had this problem on my laptop, it was affecting my display adapter, right? So it wasn't working as it should. I couldn't get the full resolution of the computer, right, of the laptop. So I tried researching, trying to find a solution, but all I kept getting was to perform exception scans and others, but that didn't work. So when I actually figured out how to fix this, just had to tell other people, right? Because this is really annoying problem. Okay, so as my display Bible was affected, so I'm gonna be using that as an example for this fix. So before we start, we have to download the latest offline complete version of device driver, a zip file of your drive has been affected. So for me it was the Intel 3050. So I have it here. I'll just extract that for later. To clear this up, this laptop doesn't have the problem, but I'm just gonna be walking you guys through it. First, going to have to go to device manager. That's where all the device drivers are, and do that by right clicking on the desktop icon. Select properties, and you click on device manager. Because I'm using my display driver as an example, just go to the display adapters, click on the Intel driver. So another driver tab, click on driver details. Okay, so this is where you know what actually wrong. Okay. As the drivers are displayed, you notice that there's a small icon on the left of each listed file. If the icon is present, it means your file is digitally signed. If it is not present, it means the file is not signed, and therefore the Windows doesn't trust or is corrupt. That is pretty much what causes the error to occur. So what you have to do is just figure out how to fix that, then the error is gone. So if you're having a problem checking your driver details, just try and update your driver. Wait for the error to pop up, then go back and click on driver details. After you figure out what files are missing, the icon, go to the offline zip version of the driver you downloaded, locate the exact file, then you copy and you go to the directory of the file with the missing icon, which is shown under the driver details. Once you are there, paste the file you copied and overwrite the old one. Once you are done, go back to the device manager, click on the driver you're trying to fix, click update driver under the driver tab, select the first option which is set automatically, and the Windows will do the rest. It doesn't actually matter if you have internet connection or not. Okay, so in some cases, if this doesn't work, you need the offline version of your driver downloaded is different from the current version of the driver you're trying to fix. And so with this one, all you have to do is just go back to the folder of the extracted zip version, copy all the files and paste it into the respective directories which is shown under the driver details, right? Then just try updating it again. So that's it. If this help you, right? If this worked for you, just give a thumbs up, show your appreciation, subscribe, want me to do more of these. Try and answer any questions you have for me in the comments. Stay safe.